hello guys, it's raining out here. I know the camera is kind of blurry.
Let me see. Which one? Front camera or back camera? Here. The original channel holder. Channel holder.
Yeah, it's Shaw_56 here, guys. Subscribe to my second channel, Law_567. And you can search it up on YouTube by the Shorts channel name. You cannot.
New channel.
No, I got a second channel. This is my mom, Shalom May Washington. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
So we're under this thing. Wait, I forgot.
I didn't even fix my hair. Why did you do that to me? Why you do that to me? You didn't tell me to fix my hair. I could have done it up real good.
Yeah, but it's for the video. We haven't already been like at least 70 seconds. Look at them people just running.
Yep, everybody's spraying a little bit of water. But guess what? Brown sugar melts too.
So I'm like in a Burlington thing. And like as you can see, that was a Burlington. Let's see.
I'm stuck under the awning.
Yeah, we're stuck under this awning, like my mom said. Let's see.
Not yawning. Awning.
That sounds like metal, and it looks like wood. So everything just looks beautiful around here. I feel kind of free, man.
I'm still quite expensive.
Shut up. As you can hear, the rain is getting a little bit harder. So I probably won't film for like another 2 days because of the weather right now. So you'll. Okay, shut up. You'll probably see me on the 15th or 14th. I don't know. Maybe the 16th, whatever. I need to get stuff ready, man.
Tomorrow's Auntie Leah's birthday.
Yeah.
She's at a blessed age of 44. If Rose is still around, her birthday be at the end of the month. That's what I miss.
Yep.
Miss my auntie, miss my auntie, miss my sister, miss my other sister Shannon. She's in October though.
It's very much sad she died of COVID.
Yes, COVID sucks.
Who would ever think that this weather wouldn't be so bad?
You think that this one little rain cloud would be this damaging?
For those of you who are actually watching from like a phone or whatever, or from a watch or something, I don't know if they actually have YouTube on watches now. I'm very much sorry for your electronics to get wet.
You're trying to make sure that people are watching.
Look at my good shoes, man. Rate them 1 out of 10. Rate them 1 through 10. Some people have to take cabs, I know. Yeah, well, shut up about that. So,
And what do you always wish for? Rain. You always wish for snow. Did you wish for this stuff right now? You're pummeling down on us.
I never wished for it.
That's the first.
That's the first. I swear I seen the cloud move, man. I zoomed in. Wait, I swear I seen something. Oh, I swear I seen. The only reason why I'm shaking is because... Shut up! And anyway, subscribe to Tim Bear Ribs. You can search it up on YouTube, and you can also search it up on Google. Find his channel. Yeah. Finally. So it stopped raining. It rained for like who knows how long. I know the camera's getting wet. Clean it off.
That would suck if you weren't recording.
I know. Anyway, subscribe to Tim Bear Ribs. Subscribe to Tim Bear Ribs. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me. Yes, always subscribe to me. Yes, I am walking. I'm totally not an escalator. Yeah, you can see that I'm on foot right now. Why is the camera blurry? What the? Yeah, I'm still recording mine. What is this? I need to get in like a better view, give you guys a better perspective. City trends. Like zoom out. Like the sun so big it's very fitting in the frame. Barely even. That's not barely even fitting in the frame right now.